I gave him a fake, "Oh dear," look and said, "So you're saying that I am not allowed to make loud noises, including my dogs barking between the hours of 7 a.m. and 11 p.m., and I went against the law by doing so?
You know you did.
And you are telling me this from my front porch at 2 p.m. in the afternoon?
This won't be your porch once I tell the leasing office."
Oh no, this is a very serious threat for my dogs and my family, isn't it?
If yes, it is.
I gave him a huge smile and turned off my recorder from my phone. The neighbor is confused, and now I ask him to have a seat. I have a few things to show him. I pull out my papers and hand him the first one. It was the county's noise ordinance laws.